In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Twilio credentials. Whether you're looking to integrate Twilio's communication services into your app or simply exploring its features, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and confidently. Let's start by logging into your Twilio account. Head over to console.twilio.com on your web browser. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and hit the login button. Once you're in, the truth is, you'll be navigating through a hub of possibilities that Twilio offers. But for our purposes today, we're going to focus on finding those crucial credentials. Your dashboard is the heart of your Twilio account. It's the first page you land on right after logging in. If this is your first time here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. However, if you're already familiar, your eyes should gravitate towards the Account Info section. It's usually located on the main screen, right around the upper part of the dashboard. Here, you'll notice two essential pieces of information that are key to accessing Twilio's services: your account SID and your auth token. Both of these elements are fundamental for any API requests you plan to make while using Twilio, as they serve as your unique identifiers in the system. Your account SID is readily visible and always starts with AC. It's the alphanumeric code that identifies your account. Think of it as your unique ID within Twilio's vast user network. You'll often need this for setting up Twilio in various applications, so make a mental or physical note of it for easy access later. Now, about the auth token. It's another crucial piece, acting as a password of sorts that lets you verify your identity when making API requests. For security reasons, Twilio keeps this token hidden by default. But don't worry, revealing it is simple. You'll see an eye icon right next to where it's labeled. Go ahead and click on that icon when you want to view your auth token, especially if you need to use it immediately. Just remember to handle it with care and never share it publicly, as it's a sensitive piece of information that ensures the security of your communications. Having both your account SID and auth token handy will make your journey with Twilio infinitely smoother, whether you're sending SMS messages, managing phone numbers, or utilizing any of the various services Twilio provides. Keep them safe, secure, and readily accessible to streamline your development process. And there you have it, a straightforward path to obtaining your Twilio credentials. We hope this guide makes your experience easier and sets you up for success. Keep exploring what Twilio can offer, and happy integrating.